প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রী যারা ক্যালকাটা ইউনিভার্সিটিতে সেমিস্টার 3-তে পড়ছো, 2025 সালে পরীক্ষায় বসতে চলেছ পলিটিক্যাল সায়েন্স অনার্স নিয়ে, তাদের সেক যে পেপারটি রয়েছে তাতে 2 মার্কের যে কোয়েশ্চেনের উত্তরগুলো লিখতে হবে সেগুলো ইংলিশ ভার্সনে আলোচনা করে দিচ্ছি। পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে আমি বাংলা ভার্সনে উত্তর আলোচনা করে দেবো এবং আশা করি প্রশ্নগুলো তৈরি করলে কমন তোমরা অবশ্যই পাবে। যারা চ্যানেলে নতুন তারা মনোজ স্যার কোচিং ভবানীপুর চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশের বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে রেখো। নতুন কোনো ভিডিও আপলোড করলে সবার আগে নোটিফিকেশন তুমিই পেয়ে যাবে। তাহলে একের দাগের প্রশ্ন, হোয়াট ইজ এ মোশন অফ নো কনফিডেন্স? আনসার হলো such a motion of no confidence in the government by the legislature is called a motion of no confidence. This proposal can be raised in the Lok Sabha of the Parliament. If this proposal was accepted, the government fail. Question number 2. Write Article 332 of Indian Constitution. Answer. Article 332 of the Constitution of India states that seats in state legislatures shall be reserved for SC and ST. What are the lay of proposals? After raising the budget in the Legislative Assembly, the opposition can bring various proposals to reduce spending. This is called a lay of proposal. What is the council mayor? A council of mayors consisting of a mayor, a deputy mayor, and not more than 10 members is called council mayor. What is a private bill? A bill introduced by an individual member of parliament other than a minister is called a private bill. Question number 6. What is the special feature of Article 118 of Indian Constitution? Answer. Article 118 of the Constitution of India mentions the procedure of Parliament's law submission. Next, what is MP-led অর্থাৎ MPLAD project? Full form is Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme. It is a local area development scheme for members and Parliament of India. What is Treasury Bench? The seats at the front of the House of Parliament of India are called Treasury Benches. Write Article 331 of Indian Constitution. Article 331 of the Indian Constitution states that 2 seats in the Lok Sabha shall be reserved for the Anglo-Indian community. Question number 10. What is the delegated power law? Law made by the administrative department based on the powers delegated by the law department are called delegated powers. What are the powers of Rajya Sabha in respect of finance bill? Money bills cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha cannot amend or repeal the money bill. Who presides over the joint session of Parliament? Answer. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha presides over the joint session of Parliament. Question number 13. Mention any one guiding principle of the Constitution. The state shall introduce a system of unpaid and compulsory education for boys and girls above 14 years of age. Question number 14. Name 2 states in India what have bicameral legislatures. Answer. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka. Next question 15. Financial emergency is mentioned in which section of the Constitution? Answer Article number 360. Who identified the money bill in the Lok Sabha? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha identified the money bill in the Lok Sabha. Write a function of Finance Commission. The Finance Commission recommends to him the principles by which grants in aid to the revenue of the states from the consolidated fund of India shall be governed. How many days in the validity of the ordinance issued by the President? According to Article 356 of the Constitution of India, ordinances issued by the President remain in force for a minimum of 6 months and a maximum of 3 years. Question number 19. The voting age was raised to 18 years by the how much amendment constitutional? Answer. The voting age was raised to 18 years by the 61st Amendment in 1989. What are the emergency causes in India? Article 352 of National Emergency, Constitutional Deadlock in the state, Article 356, Section 360, Financial Emergency. Next question. What is a democratic government? A government in which the head of state is not inherited but is elected for a fixed term by elected representatives of the people is called a democratic government. How many chambers of Indian Parliament and what are they? Answer. Two houses of Parliament, namely Upper House Rajya Sabha and Lower House Lok Sabha. How long can the Rajya Sabha suspend a money bill? Rajya Sabha can suspend any money bill for 14 days. Write two functions of the state legislature. Answer. To make laws for any part of the state. Number 2. Controlling the administration of a parliamentary democracy. Next question. What do you mean by Trisanku Lok Sabha? A situation where no party gets an absolute majority in a general election to the Lok Sabha is called a three-cornered Lok Sabha or Trisanku Lok Sabha. What are the members of subjects under the central list, state list and joint list at present? Answer. Central 97 in the original constitution but at present 100. For state 66 in the original constitution but at present 61. Joint 47 in the original constitution but at present 52. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission of India? Answer. Prime Minister of India. Who formed the Finance Commission of India? Answer. President of India. What is money bill? Article 110 of the Indian Constitution states that money bills are taxation, abolition, change, government borrowing, paying into reserve fund, etc. are money bill. Next question. Name two finance committees of parliament. Answer. Ek number. Number 1. Estimated Expenditure Scrutiny Committee. 2. Public Accounts Scrutiny Committee. Name two standing committees of Indian Parliament. Number 1. Estimated Expenditure Scrutiny Committee and Public Accounts Scrutiny Committee. What is election called? What is by-election called? Now all elections are held every 5 years. If for any reason the election is held before the specified time, then it is called by-election. Write a function of comptroller and Auditor General of India. Answer. It is the job of the Comptroller General of India to see whether amendment of money allocated by the Parliament has been spent in the sector? How was Finance Commission constituted? A Finance Commission is constituted by the President with a chairman and 4 members. Write a name of an ad hoc committee. Answer: Select Committee on Bills. Last question: write the composition of the Council Mayor of Calcutta Municipality. Council Mayor of KMC are composed of a mayor, a deputy mayor, and not more than 10 members. আজ তাহলে এই পর্যন্ত, দেখা হবে পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে।